Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick update to the version 2004 or May 2020 update. It's interesting because a lot of people think that Microsoft has removed this update and it's not available until they fix it. It's not the case. Although there are some known issues and they have found a few more with time, the update itself for most people is fine and it has no issues. And it's continuing its progress in the update process. Yes, some of you might have seen it and it disappeared, and well, it might reappear now. So Microsoft announced today that it is being a little more aggressive with people on 1809. That's the version of the October 2018 update. The reason why is because in November the 1809 version will expire. So this is approaching fast, and Microsoft wants to ensure that you move on to the May 2020 update. So you're going to be moved directly to this version from 1809. They also announced that a lot more machines are now going to see, starting today, the update. So 1809 machines, of course, that didn't see it before, but if you are a seeker on 1803 or 1909, which is the May or November 2019 update, a lot of you that didn't see it might see it now. And they said the reason why is they have improved upon the telemetry and information and AI that they actually get from computers to detect which machines are ready and would upgrade correctly to Windows 10 May 2020 update. So if you are a seeker and didn't see anything, starting today you might actually see it pop up in the Windows updates. Also remember that November is the end of support for 1809. December, only a month later, is the end of support for 1903. So that means that on 1903, even though it's not forced upgraded or forced pushed right now, it's actually going to very soon, because they will want you to also move on to the May 2020 update. So once again, you can defer updates up to 35 days if you don't want it right now, but you can also use my trick if you want to wait a couple of months because you're not sure. Don't forget that you can go into your settings, you can go into your network and internet. Where your connection is there, you can go to properties, and in here, just turn on an option called metered, set as a metered connection. This will prevent big feature updates from actually downloading. But don't forget, you'll have to install it before the end of the year, because at some point you won't be supported and there won't be any security updates. Then you could be in trouble by not being secure and maybe getting viruses or malware on your machine. So if you didn't see it, check it out. Maybe you'll see it today, as Microsoft did announce more machines now are seeing the update of May 2020 or the version 2004. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.